the middle. Oh, sorry.
And to the left, there is a lightning bolt destroying our left engine. We are now going down.
Dude, he gets the whole crowd jumping that thing.
Oh yeah.
He goes like this. He does himself.
They seem to dig that guy.
Yeah.
Where was that? Was that like in New York?
That was in South Carolina.
All right.
He non-stop tour, man. That's great.
It's pretty wild. I haven't seen this kind of stuff in a while. This is like the weather for it. Oh wow, man.
Nebulas.
Tiny nebulas. Exploding.
Exploding me.
Reminds me of the Alice in Wonderland cartoon.
I'm not sure, but I think that's like polarity difference between both two different clouds or two different levels of clouds.
See that?
From over there.
Silent. Unreal.
That's fucking insane. I'll go over here.
It is pretty nice.
It's moving.
Whoa. Wow.
And now it's behind the tree.
It's gonna go all the way left.
I got some good ones. Let's go down the bottom.
There's